There are small governments, large governments, very large governments. They have departments, libraries, ministries, hospitals, schools, infrastructure, all these on separate portals with different logins? It's easy to lose track. Is it possible to access all these services on one trusted platform? Now it is, with the Portage CyberTech online services platform. By configuring to existing systems, this platform connects all government digital services in one place. A citizen can access everything using a single secure login. The customizable dashboard allows a citizen to choose the services they want access to, whether it's tax records or vehicle registration renewal. The platform manages the authentication process and protects the user's privacy. And most importantly, the user consents to and can revoke the right to share their information at any time. A citizen can also be given the right to act as a caregiver or on behalf of a company. They can choose to be contacted by SMS, email, or telephone. Using APIs, governments can easily integrate the platform with new or existing tools, including CRMs or electronic signatures. Its flexibility allows it to be deployed quickly on both a small or a large scale. At every stage, our experts are there to support, and with the compliant platform proven by millions of people, we can create the right fit for any situation. In short, the online services platform gives citizens access to a wide range of digital government services with a single login. From any device, it is now possible for the population to interact with their government and all its agencies in a simple, secure, and unified way. Portage CyberTech. Together, we achieve responsible acceleration.